Hello everyone, let's start the videos for this one. Take a section of your hair and make a knot out of it and tie it. Now repeat the process from other section of your hair as it will start looking like this. Now repeat it till the end and then take the remaining hairs and braid it nicely and it's all done. For the next one, make a ponytail and then tie it into the half. Now take the remaining hairs and roll it all together as it will look like this. Now set your hairs as shown in the video and it's done. For the next one, make a half ponytail and then pull it inside out. Now take the each section and then do it as shown in the video by taking the smaller sections out of it. Now take the each section and keep braiding your hairs as shown in the video as it will look like this and it's all done. For the next one, make a half ponytail and then divide it into two parts. Now take the each part and braid it nicely as shown in the video by making the 5 sections out of it and then with the help of a rubber band tie it all nicely. Now repeat the process as it is shown in the video until it will look like this. Tie it and it's all done. Thanks for watching.